Okay guys, you see the weather has changed. Everything is covered with a nice white snow of about 10 centimeters, and also with the snow comes the cold weather, and now it's time to do another test run. Okay, inside everything is cold and ready for start, and we will start in I think 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, bye. Okay folks, gasifier is running. Here you see the water steam coming out of the engine. It's very cold and there's a lot of steam inside it, but no smoke, you can see it. After 2 meters over it, it goes away. It's not normal smoke. Okay, see you later. Okay guys, now the gasifier is running for about an hour. Yes, let's see. The filter temperature is at 93 Celsius. It started with 0 Celsius. DriZzleR is working in perfect conditions. Nice drizzle bed is formed. Engine working like in my boring videos before. Very boring. And the output is not so bad. It's running on 18 amps. It's not bad. Here's something new I installed. It's a RPM meter, which catches with 16 magnetic pickups from the shaft, directly from the shaft. And you can see it here. Engine running with 1522 RPM. Okay, now let's go to the buffer. Okay, here's the buffer. I filled it up in the morning with fresh water. 800 liters are inside. I filled it up with 8 Celsius in the morning, and I started 1 hour ago with 8 Celsius, and now the buffer temperature is up to 14 Celsius. Not so bad. Inside the house it's coming with near 60 Celsius, and outgoing is at the moment near 20 Celsius. Okay, we will fill up the buffer completely to 80 Celsius and check how long it takes. Bye! Okay, we're running 2 hours. We are now back near the engine. Completely untouched the last 2 hours. Only ignite the gasifier and start the engine. And now let's check some temperatures. First we want to check the DriZzleR bed is formed properly. Yes, it is. Very good. Next, under pressure. It's about 40 millibar. It's good. It's a normal working condition. The filter temperature is on 159 Celsius, about 2 hours. And yes, engine is running fine. Very good. And now I installed this new measuring instrument. It's an warm water heat meter, and we have produced now 24.6 kilowatts of warm water. Okay, let's check the ampere meter. Everything is good. 80 amps, like the last check for about an hour. We look here. everything is working. See you next hour. Okay folks, we started an hour ago with 8 Celsius inside the 800 liters buffer. Now we are at 26, and now we will look how the buffer is buffering the water. We check it here. At the top it's 42 Celsius. In the middle it's 33 Celsius, and in the bottom it's 23 Celsius, and completely down it is 13 Celsius. Now we can imagine that the buffer is buffering the hot water from the top, and then it's going down colder and colder and colder and colder, and this is very good to produce such heat from the top on, because you have directly hot water you can use. Okay, see you next time, maybe next hour. Okay guys, I told you I will be back in the third hour. Now the third hour is coming. Complete setup is completely untouched. It runs completely without any problems. Yes, only light it up, and 3 hours later it's running like at the beginning. The filter temperature is now up to 187 Celsius. The engine is running at 1521 RPM. The amperemeter is looking like the hours before, and everything is running smooth and fine. Okay, now check the buffer. Okay, now we are back in the cellar. Here is the buffer, like the 2 times before we watched it. Temperature incoming is about 62, I would say, and outgoing it's about 40 degrees. And the buffer, I forget to told you before, where the temperature sensor is, to measuring the buffer temperature. The temperature sensor is up in the down here, and here it shows 44 Celsius. When you touch the other connectors which are not isolated yet, you cannot touch it here, because it's much hotter than 44 Celsius. Okay, we'll watch again in the next hour. Maybe we are going up to 60 degrees. Bye. Okay guys, I'll be back. This is the 4th hour running. Gasifier completely untouched over the complete runtime. Filter temperature is about 196 degrees. Gasifier working, engine working, whistle bed alright. Amperemeter is running fine. Engine running with 1522 RPM. And now let's check the buffer. Okay folks, we're back in the cellar near the buffer. The buffer now is connected over 4 hours. I started with 8 Celsius, and now the buffer has in the button the temperature near this point of 64 Celsius. That's not bad. It's coming inside with 70 Celsius and going outside with nearly 52 Celsius. Okay, then see you next time. Okay guys, 4 hours of gasifying are over. I stopped everything and now we must check how much pellets we are used. This tank was full of pellets and now I think we need 2 bags or something. I must measure it tomorrow because tonight I'm too tired. Okay, see you next time, bye!